the fastest animal alive, faster than marine animals and land animals. The peregrine falcon can fly up to 390 miles per hour. Sorry, I made a mistake there. Enough to run away from the golden eagle, the king of the skies. It can hunt wolves, and he hears it on our little screen. Right now, it's flying. It's looking at the other golden eagle. Usually, that one got scared, and when that one got scared, the other got the one that was scared got also roasted. Also got roasted. Yeah, what? Okay. Well, here's how it protects its nest. Well, let's just go. There's a lot of bird species, and one of them is the peregrine falcon, and one of them is a sacred falcon. I don't know the other. Well, here's how it protects its nest. Well, usually in the mating season, they get a partner and live with them for the rest of their lives. When the eggs hatch, the mother lives, and sometimes the males die. If other birds attack, for example, if a raven attacks the nest, the falcon will attack it without mercy. But these three eagles can defeat two in a row: mountain eagle and happy eagle. Finally, the golden eagle. Falcon's main enemies are us. Now we are allies. They usually hunt from high places, and they go below, sometimes go below ground. Close to ground, so they don't get much attention. And now, a pigeon is escaping from a peregrine falcon, knowing its merciless attacks, and is falling down with a very now with sharp claws on its feet is they are very sharp. They can be packs, and I mean very dangerous packs. And they are usually hunters keep them to hunt for them. And they also hunt. It's not selfish. It's just a pet to hunt. All hunters also hunt. They just don't hunt. Okay, remember that. It's not selfish. And these are very sharp and big. Look at that. The peregrine falcon is the fastest bird in the world. No, it even has strong claws on its feet, and it's thingy there can break necks of other birds. When you fall down the sky, you get too much pressure off the air, your lungs will blow up and you'll die. But peregrine falcons have little bones, that keep them safe from the air pressure. Okay, remember that. That is a very, very other birds A lot of other birds have this thingy on the nose. When, like for example, a hawk, red-tailed hawk, got stabbed on its back by the merciless claws. Now, the peregrine falcon it usually builds nests in like rocky places, so it doesn't get much attention when the chicks hatch. We're going through this again. Don't get bored of this, okay? This is also it also has some funny things, and the chicks usually beg for food a lot. There are a lot of shellfish, and the peregrine falcon warns the bird to go away, but the bird didn't listen, and it made a big mistake. Now, with a single attack of peregrine falcon's claws can make the bird unstable.